Plenty people with diabetes, they fear for chop our African chop them because after they finish for chop their blood sugar, it go up. Some of these people, they don't even conclude saying our African chop them, they spoil their blood sugar control. So one then they say, I no fit chop fufu again or say rice na poison for my body. But hear me well, no be our African chop them be the main problem. The main problem na how you dey chop our chop them. Today, I go show you one simple method, the African Eat Clean Plate method, where it go help you for chop your normal chop, where your blood sugar, jump up like rocket. Hello, my people. I don't come again with another diabetes mindful talk. My name is Mirabi Kono, a registered nurse and a certified diabetes educator. For years, I dey help our people for manage and even reverse diabetes type 2 naturally. Why you still enjoy our African food? If you like this kind talk, subscribe for the channel and put your bell notification on so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first for get them. Diabetes, no mean say make you stop for chop our traditional African chop them. Instead, diabetes means say make you chop with sense and balance. The thing where it make your blood sugar, it go up whenever you chop now because you chop too much swallow, too much white rice, small amount for vegetables. You chop almost no protein. You chop where it get plenty oil, and sometimes you chop only carbohydrates with oil. Your blood sugar, it go jump up like a generator. Your plate supposed for get balance. No be only one kind of chop supposed for day for your plate. So make I give you the simple rule how your plate is supposed for be. You go take your pan. If you get pan where they divide them like my own, fine. But if you not get them, take a normal plate. So you go use half of your plate. You fill them with vegetables. These vegetables will be your bitter leaf, your ugu, your okra, your pumpkin leaves, any green leafy vegetables. 1/4 you go put na your protein for day, when your fish, your egg, your meat, your chicken, your snails, your goat meat. And then the remaining quarter, you go use them for your carbohydrate. These carbohydrates go be na your yam, your plantain, your rice, your fufu, your gari, whatever swallow where you want swallow. If you use na a normal plate, you go divide your plate for middle. This half side you go fill them with vegetable. The other half you divide them into two. 1/4 you go put carbohydrates and the next quarter you go put your protein for day. This plate method now your secret for chop because the half when your vegetable it go help for slow down how sugar it go up, and then the 1/4 when your protein it go make you stay for long when you not hungry, and also it go help for repair your body. Then your carbohydrate it go help for give you energy, but make sure say you chop your carbohydrate na in small amount. Now make them practical. For example, how you fit chop fufu when you get diabetes. The wrong way go be now for you for chop big amounts for fufu. Small soup where your soup it be flooded with oil, only meat with no vegetable. If you chop so, your blood sugar levels it go up. For you for chop your fufu where you manage diabetes for the correct way, you go use your plate method. You go fill half of your plate with your vegetable soup, whether na okra, arrow, bitter leaf soup, cocoa leaf soup, cabbage soup, ugu, any vegetable for your choice. Make sure say you fill half of your plate. You go take the other quarter, you fill your fish, your chicken, your goat meat, your snails. If you be say you chop kanda, make sure say you put kanda na only for small quantity. This portion na your protein. The remaining portion you go add your carbohydrate foods, but then your carbohydrate is supposed to be now in small quantity. Make it be at the size of your fist, not your two fists. Important tip na say may you take plenty soup than fufu. Chew your food slowly and chew them well before you swallow them. Example number 2, how you fit chop rice with diabetes. Rice no be your enemy, but portion na the issue. For you for chop rice for the wrong way na say when you flop your plate with white rice, you add only small stew for day where it plenty with oil. You no put no vegetable, that combination na a sugar bomb. The correct combination for you for chop rice now for you again for use your plates method. So half your plate you go fill them with your vegetable. If it be your cabbage sauce, your garden egg sauce, your okra stew, your mixed vegetable sauce, you go fill them for one side. If you like salad, then you fit also fill half of your plates with your salad. The first quarter, you go put your protein when you have fish, your beans, your egg, your chicken, your snails, any protein of your choice. The remaining one quarter now where it remain na for day way you go put your rice. So your rice go be na only for small portion. If possible, use brown rice or parboiled rice, but if you get na only white rice, no problem. Just put small quantity for your white rice for the other remaining one quarter. Make we talk about how you fit build your plate. Whether you dey chop na fufu, you dey chop na rice, or you dey chop yam, plantain, garri, fufu corn. Always make sure say you ask yourself this question: Wusa my vegetable dey? Wusa my protein dey? How much carbohydrate at the chopper? If you see and say your carbohydrate is plenty pass your vegetables, make sure say you adjust them. Extra tips wey it be very important, my people, na say wait, drink plenty water. Make sure say you go outside, you walk as small anytime wey you chop. Chop very slowly and chew your chop very well. Use small plates. Avoid for the use big plates them when you dey chop. And also avoid for chop heavy carbohydrate chop them very late at night. Diabetes no be punishment, na discipline and understanding. You just need na for learn how for put your chop for your plate very well. If you like this video, don't forget for give am a thumbs up. Share am with any person for your family where it get diabetes, where it needs for hear this message. And make sure say you subscribe or you follow me for more diabetes mindful talk. I go see you for my next video.